As simple and as dependable as a hammer, the Toyota Tacoma has never needed to be great to drive to be great for business. For decades, pickup truck buyers have flocked to Toyota's midsizer, not despite its rudimentary bones, but because of them. People buy Toyota Tacomas as tools and love them because they reliably get the job done. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma's dynamic transformation starts with its new I-Force turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. In the TRD Off-Road's higher output guise, the 2.4-liter engine makes the same 278 horsepower as the 3.5-liter V6 it replaces, but its torque delivery completely changes the truck's character. Where the V6 needed 4,600 revolution per minute to muster 265 lb-ft of torque, the boosted engine punches out 317 lb-ft from as low as 1,700 revolution per minute. The extra grunt is dispatched to the wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission with lower gearing than last year's 6-speed, meaning the shove you feel in the seat of your pants is even greater than the torque numbers suggest. You can measure the benefits of these changes by the truck's 7.2-second 0-60 miles per hour run, which marks a 0.4-second improvement over the outgoing Tacoma TRD Off-Road. Subjectively, the change feels even larger than that thanks to the gearbox's quick shifting action and the engine's fat torque curve. Whether you're flowing with traffic or making a full throttle pass, the Tacoma always feels spry, even if the Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss can hit 60 miles per hour in more than a second quicker. This still holds true. For the new 4th-generation Tacoma, Toyota could have phoned in a subtle facelift, and loyal buyers would still stream through dealers' doors for the next 5 years. But that's not what it did. Instead, we get a subtle visual makeover plus a major engineering overhaul that brings long overdue upgrades to the 2024 Toyota Tacoma's comfort, performance, and technology. A week of hammering a new Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road on Michigan streets, at the test track, and through the sandy, muddy slop of Hollyoaks Off-Road Park genuinely surprised us. Rarely has a redesigned vehicle looked so much like its predecessor while driving so much better. The engine's newfound energy is matched by a chassis that's more athletic. The top Tacoma trims, including the TRD Off-Road, adopt coil springs in the rear where 2023 Tacomas and 2024's entry-level trims use leaf springs.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm.
The ride is firm, but impacts are expertly damped by the remote reservoir monotube Bilstein shocks, giving the Tacoma a confident sense of body control. The switch from hydraulically assisted to electrically assisted power steering with a slightly quicker rack also counts as an upgrade, as it makes the steering more responsive on center and perfectly tailors the effort required for any given maneuver. Die-hard off-roaders who regularly slog through deep sand or soft mud will want to upgrade the TRD Off-Road's BF Goodrich Trail Terrain TA tires for something knobbier. In the loosest and slipperiest stuff, the BFGs require a generous dose of speed, red spin, before finding purchase. Everyone else will be hard-pressed to find a tire with a better balance of on-road refinement and off-road gumption. The Trail Terrains track straight, steer with precision, and keep the noise low on pavement. At the test track, they help the 2024 Toyota Tacoma achieve a respectable 0.77 G average of grip around our skid pad and a 114-foot stop from 60 miles per hour that is, frankly, remarkable for a 792-pound truck on all-terrain rubber. Stops in the 120S or 130S are normal for the segment. Mid-size trucks are naturally less susceptible to the jittery and unsettled ride that plagues so many full-size and heavy-duty pickups, and the Tacoma's road-going refinement takes full advantage of this. This is a truck with the dynamic comportment of a crossover. Don't read that as a knock on its credibility as a pickup. Great modern trucks like the Tacoma deliver car-like comfort while hauling and overlanding more capably than they ever have. Case in point, the Tacoma's sorry payload ratings have finally been lifted into the realms of respectability and competitiveness. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road will now schlep up to 1,447 pounds, a nearly 300-pound improvement over last year's version. Towing capacity, however, is unchanged at 6,400 pounds, which lands 1,300 pounds below that of the Chevy Colorado Trail Boss. We can vouch that the truck we tested for this story lives up to the name on the side of its bed. The TRD Off-Road made fun, easy work of Hollyoaks Off-Road Park, an old gravel mine that's become a favourite testing sandbox of Detroit development engineers thanks to its wide variety of surfaces. The Tacoma TRD Off-Road paddled through mud bogs and sand pits without ever threatening to get sucked into the mire. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, and also comment down below. Thank you.